spacious living area where you will get two parallel platforms. This master bedroom is very spacious to place a king-size bed along with the side table. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Aviana by H. Rishabh Raj located in Goregaon West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is based on a special Japanese theme named Wabi Sabi. As you can see, this is the sales office that is made on the same theme and the main lobby will be similar to this. And also, this project will be constructed on the land parcel of 2.38 acres having one tower with 4 wings, each wing having G plus 22 stories, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residential apartments, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, co-working spaces, multi-purpose court, indoor games, mini theatre, banquet hall with connected party lawn and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, as you can see, this is the neighborhood of our project and this is the road. This road leads to Link Road behind me that makes this project located off Link Road, Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West. From where Bangur Nagar metro station is only 100 meters away, Link Road is also 100 meters away, Goregaon Mulund Link Road is 500 meters, D-Mart is only 5 minutes walk, In-Orbit Mall is also only 1 kilometers, and one of the USP of the project is that we have Jain Dahesar, Swami Ayyappa Temple, Ram Temple and Gurudwara only at a distance of 100 meters from the project. And also you have school, colleges and hospital within 1 kilometer from the project. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of project Aviana. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of project Aviana. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1275 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get this spacious living area where you can easily place a 3-way sofa along with the center table and customize your TV unit. You will also get full French windows in the living room with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables and tea chairs to enjoy with your family. Moving forward, over here we have a dining area where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. Right in front of it, we have a kitchen area where you will get 2 parallel platforms and you have space provided to place your refrigerator and you can customize your kitchen as per your choice. You will also get full French windows and a utility balcony and a dry balcony to place your washing machine. Moving forward, over here we have all our bedrooms, and as you can see, you will get this alley that gives your bedrooms full privacy. First we have the common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right beside the common washroom, we have a first master bedroom that you can use as your study, your children's bedroom or your guest room. You can place a king size or queen size bed along with the side table and also customize your study area. You have wardrobe space provided that is also very spacious, and you can also build lofts. Over here, you will also get full French windows for a beautiful view and air. And over here we have the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Diagonally opposite to a first master bedroom, we have a second master bedroom where you can see you'll get an entry area that gives your bedroom full privacy. And you can place your king or queen size bed along with the side tables. And you can see the bedroom is very spacious. You will get wardrobe space provided that you can customize by your choice, and you can also build lofts. You will get a balcony in this bedroom with full French windows. The balcony is very spacious to place your sofas and make it a seating area. Over here, we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the last but not the least master bedroom of this 3 BHK. Right to the left of a second master bedroom, we have a last master bedroom that is the most spacious, and as you enter you can see this master bedroom is very spacious to place your king size bed along with the side tables. You will get full French windows in this bedroom for a beautiful view and air. And as you can see, the wardrobe space provided in this bedroom is very spacious and large, where you can also build lofts. Right beside that, you can also customize your makeup corner. And over here, we have the attached washroom that is also very spacious, and it comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Project Aviana. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And also, have you ever purchased in this location? If yes, what were your reviews? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.